In the vast digital world, a quiet revolution is underway. This is the story of the Pi network, a story about people from every corner of the globe. They are called pioneers, the first to arrive in a new land, building a future others can't yet see. Every day they perform a simple act, tapping a button on their phones. It may seem small, but together these actions are planting a forest, not just a tree. This is the power of community. The Pi network is not just about technology, it's about a shared dream, a fairer, more connected world. Many seek instant results, but Pi teaches patience and the strength of consistency. Pioneers aren't here for a fleeting prize, they're building something that lasts. They are the guardians of a new beginning. As we look at this growing global family, we see hope in action. People from different cultures and countries are united by a single idea. Everyone should have a chance to participate in the digital economy. Our collective effort can create something more valuable than any individual could alone. The pioneers are not just mining a digital currency, they are mining a future. A future where power is in the hands of the many, not the few. Their journey has only just begun. The Pi network is a movement, not a moment. It's about building trust, forging connections, and creating opportunity. Each pioneer is a builder, a dreamer, and a believer in a better tomorrow. The world is watching, but the pioneers are already shaping the future. This is the dawn of a new digital community. The seeds have been planted, the forest is growing. Together, they are redefining what it means to belong in the digital age. The Pi network is more than an app. It's a vision for a new world, and every day, with every tap, that vision comes closer to reality. The journey is long, but the destination is worth it. Welcome to the new dawn. The story is just beginning. The Pi network is often misunderstood. Many see only a simple app, missing the transformation underway. People ask, where's the value? But true value lies in the community, not just a price tag. Like a social network, Pi's worth grows with every new member and every connection. The hum of Pi is millions working together, building a network node by node. Some wonder why it's taking so long. But building something revolutionary takes time. Like constructing a cathedral, every stone matters. The Pi team is methodical, ensuring security and stability for billions. This careful approach is a sign of strength. Pi doesn't follow old rules, it's forging a new path. It asks for belief and patience, valuing people's time and contribution. The real treasure is the living ecosystem of believers. Observers may see only the shell, but pioneers nurture the life inside. The Pi network is not about quick gains, it's about building lasting value. The hum you hear is the sound of a future being built, quietly but powerfully. The world may not understand yet, but the pioneers do, and that makes all the difference. The Pi network's journey has been one of quiet, steady progress, deep roots before blossoms. Soon the time for growth will give way to a time of flourishing. The full launch of the open mainnet is on the horizon, connecting Pi to the global economy. This will be a moment of transformation, revealing the true power of the network. Developers have built marketplaces, games and services on Pi's test platform. When open mainnet arrives, these applications will come alive. Imagine using Pi to buy crafts from across the world or earn real rewards in games. The network will become a bustling city of digital commerce. The most beautiful surprise will be what the community creates together. The core team provides the tools, but pioneers will build the world. New uses for Pi will emerge, supporting education, local projects, and charitable causes. The network is a blank canvas, and the pioneers are the artists. The future isn't just something to wait for, it's something to build together. The masterpiece is yet to be painted. Money has long been controlled by institutions, often out of reach for many. The Pi network offers a new vision digital money that's simple, secure, and for everyone. It's about more than fast payments, it's about access and empowerment. Like the internet democratized information, Pi aims to democratize value. Imagine sending money as easily as a message, unlocking potential for creators and small businesses worldwide. Pi introduces a shared economic interest, tying communities together with real purpose. This transforms online groups into true digital societies. For many, Pi could be their first step into the digital economy, saving, transacting, and building a better future. It's more than technology. It's a tool for global inclusion. Pi is a chance to level the playing field. The impact could be profound. Imagine the global economy as a great river, flowing along paths shaped by history. The Pi network is a new spring, fed by millions of streams, growing stronger as more join. Pi isn't blocking the old river. It's creating a new, accessible channel for value. Its security is built on trust, security circles where people vouch for each other. This forms a resilient global web of trust. Pi's success isn't about speculation, but real-world utility. Goods and services exchanged in Pi, farmers, tutors, creators, fuel a true peer-to-peer economy. The focus is on use, not just trading. Change won't happen overnight, but as more adopt Pi, opportunity will reach places the old system never could. This is the grand vision, economic energy flowing freely, empowering everyone. The river is changing course. The future is being shaped by millions of pioneers, and the world will never be the same. The Pi network is more than a financial system. It's a social one, weaving a new global fabric. Each pioneer is a thread, each interaction strengthening the weave. This community transcends borders, languages, and backgrounds. A shared purpose unites everyone, making the network a success. When pioneers meet, there's instant connection, a shared hope for the future. Within Pi's chat apps, people help, share, and encourage each other across continents. Ideas flow from Nigeria to Vietnam, Brazil to Germany. This constant exchange sparks innovation and learning. The world becomes a single, interconnected community. Trade, communication, and creation become seamless, using a currency that belongs to all. Pi is about more than money. It's about building a new kind of world. We are not just neighbours, but active participants in a global village. Together, we are weaving our futures. In every story of discovery, the early birds see potential where others see wilderness. In Pi, these pioneers are the founders of a new digital economy. Their reward isn't just the Pi they've accumulated, it's their stake in the future. Early adopters mined when rates were higher, believing in the vision before it was proven. As Pi's utility grows, their early faith will be rewarded. But the reward is more than wealth. It's influence, respect, and responsibility. Early pioneers become leaders, guiding newcomers and shaping the culture. Their greatest satisfaction is knowing they helped build something lasting. They weren't just spectators, they were the builders and visionaries. That's a reward no money can buy. The early birds have earned their golden dawn, and their journey is just beginning. To the pioneers, the heart of this network, look at what you've built. United from every nation, you've chosen to build bridges, not walls. Your patience is the deep-root system of Pi. Every tap strengthens the foundation. Don't be discouraged by the pace. Great things take time. You are part of a deliberate, powerful process. Soon, the world will see the symphony you've composed in quiet. Your belief is about to be rewarded. Continue to support new members and share your knowledge. Keep the spirit of community alive. It's Pi's greatest asset. The most important chapters are yet to be written, and you, the pioneers, are holding the pen. The journey ahead is exciting. The future is yours to shape. A new day is dawning. For a long time, pioneers worked while the world slept, guided by a vision of sunrise. Now the world is waking to the landscape you've cultivated. Congratulations for being ahead of your time. It takes courage to believe before others do. You're the founders of this new age. As the world embraces decentralized, inclusive digital currency, you can say, I helped build this. Your daily commitment was an act of creation, a vote for a better world. Now the results are beginning to show. Let this be your pride and inspiration. You didn't wait for the future, you built it. Ordinary people, united by vision, can achieve the extraordinary. The world is waking up to the morning you created. Welcome to the future. It's finally here.